एवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। कस्तूरी तिलकम. This is from Krishna Karnamrita. Leela Shukha has written this. Kasturi tilakam lalata palaki vakshastali kaustubham नासाग्रे नवमौक्तिकं करतले वेणुं करे कंकणं सर्वांगे हरिचन्दनं च कलयं कंठे च मुक्तावली गोपश्री विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि विजयते गोपाल चूडामणि. The most difficult for singing Kansala songs is, one is bhava, the expressions is one side is the most difficult thing. Second is alapana. Third one is ಆ ಭಾವಯುಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.